Welcome to NexOne Academy. In this training session, we'll be covering how to connect NexOne Office to Authentisign. By the end of this training, you should be able to configure the Authentisign integration to communicate seamlessly with NexOne Office, send signed forms from Authentisign to the appropriate listing, buyer's agreement, or transaction file in NexOne Office. Let's start by configuring Authentisign to communicate with NexOne. To begin, let's generate your security key within NexOne Office. Start by accessing your profile by clicking on your name on the top right corner and select Profile. From here, navigate to the Instanet Forms section. You can scroll down or simply use the shortcut. To create your key, click Build a new secure key. Once generated, make sure to copy this key. We will be using it to complete the setup in Instanet Forms. Next, log into your Centris account and launch the Instanet Form website. To configure the connection, click the profile icon on the top right corner to open the Setup menu and select Integration. Under the Document Settings section, you'll need to provide consent for NexOne to act as your third-party electronic document management software. From the Vendor drop-down menu, select NexOne Office. Then, paste the security key you previously generated into the user key field. Be sure to click Update to save these changes before moving on. Let's recap. To enable the integration between Authentisign and NexOne Office, first you need to generate an integration key from your NexOne Office profile by clicking on the Build a new secure key button. In Instanet Forms, access the Document Settings section of the integration setup and accept the consent that enables the connection between the two software. Select NexOne Office as the vendor from the drop-down list and paste the security key previously generated by NexOne Office into the user key field. Once the setup is complete, we can now start sending forms from Authentisign to your NexOne Office. From within Instanet Forms, navigate to your Authentisign page and select the form group you want to send. Keep in mind that only form groups with a completed status can be sent to NexOne Office. Click on the Individual Forms and Certificates tab to display all the individual forms within the group. Open the More drop-down list at the end of the document you want to send and select the Send to NexOne Office option. This will prompt a NexOne pop-up menu to choose where to send the individual form and its signing certificate. From this window, you can view the documents received by NexOne Office in the Documents Received section. The system will recognize if a document has previously been sent to a file and will make them available to you to simplify the sending process. From there, it will give you the option to upload the selected documents into the file or unlink the document from the NexOne file. You can choose to link it to a listing folder, a buyer's agreement folder, a transaction report, or upload it to your My Documents in the NexOne folder. Finally, you can decide whether these documents will be attached to a new file or an existing file. If you choose to attach it to an existing file, search for the desired file, then click plus to select it. Your document is now securely stored in NexOne Office. You can now close this pop-up window and repeat these steps for all individual forms within that form group that you wish to send. Let's recap. To send documents to NexOne from Authentisign, Select the form group you want to send while making sure it's set as completed. Click on the Individual Form and Certificate tab to view all individual forms within that form group. Open the More drop-down list at the end of the document and select the Send to NexOne Office option. A NexOne pop-up window will let you choose where to send it in NexOne Office. Repeat these steps for all individual forms that you wish to send within that form group. Here are some key considerations to keep in mind when it comes to transferring documents to NexOne Office. Only documents with a completed status are eligible to be sent to NexOne Office. When initiating the transfer, it will prompt a pop-up window that will terminate any active NexOne sessions. Having a pop-up blocker can stop the NexOne document sending window from appearing. Therefore, we recommend turning off any pop-up blocker before starting the transfer or making sure to allow pop-ups from this site. If you decide to send the complete form group, this will consolidate all the individual forms from that group into one PDF. And lastly, selecting the appropriate document type will update your mandatory document list. This concludes our integration training. Thank you for participating in our NexOne Academy session. If you have any additional questions or have any comments, please contact us by email, by phone, or by visiting our website in nexone.ca. Follow us in our social media to keep updated in our new features or future events.